Hashir, I'm a specialist audiologist. I've been treating my patients with CBT now for several years. Is your new workshop going to be beneficial for me?
Hi Joanna, thank you very much for your question. I designed these workshops to help you as the specialist to feel confident that your approaches are consistent with the latest research in the fields of audiology and psychology. For example, what are the clinical implications of the new consensus definition for misophonia on your treatment planning? Or how can you benefit from machine learning and AI for differential diagnosis of tinnitus and hyperacusis? Or what is our latest understanding about night-to-night variations in sleep disturbances and its impact on day-to-day changes in tinnitus or hyperacusis symptoms, cognitive performance, and mood? So the aim of these workshops is not to give lectures or talks about research development, as would be the case in a standard conference. Instead, the aim is to teach and demonstrate a fine-tuned CBT methodology informed by these research studies. And our field of misophonia, tinnitus and hyperacusis is fast moving, and you as the specialist need to keep up to date with the breadth of knowledge in your relevant field. And this is how these workshops are going to be beneficial to you.